It does have a backrest. Little pouch. Put your cell phone in there.
By the way, it comes with a pocket right here, a mesh pocket. So you can see that this one, you can put like a water bottle, your cell phone, a tiny book or something like that if you want.
Und ja, an der Seite kann man ein Handy reintun oder ein Getränk. Ja, für ein Buch ist es ein bisschen klein.
Fabric. It does have a pocket on one side, just so you know. But yeah, I absolutely love this thing.
It does have a cell phone pocket on the side here.
Side pouch here with the mesh liner here to put like your phone in or snacks.
Don't forget your little holding pouch here. You can put your cell phones or anything you want inside.
Now I do like the side pouch on this chair. I can put my smartphone in there and keep it out of the way, but still within handy reach if I need to get at it.